Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn geography's first 7th chapter, which population. Okay. There is one activity is given. Find out. Obtain the following information for a particular day. How many students are there in your class? Out of the total number, how many are boys and how many girls? How many are absent? What is the total strength of students in your school? What is the total number of boys and girls in your school? Which class has maximum strength of student and which class has the most absentees? आपको क्या करना है कि आपको एक इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखनी है एक पर्टिकुलर डे में जो आपके क्लास की स्ट्रेंथ देन मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है कितने अब्सेंट है ये लिखना है ठीक है चलो तो फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं जियोग्राफिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन In the above exercise, you obtain information about the strength of students in your school. Okay. In your similar manner, information can be obtained about population of a village, taluka, district, state, nation and world. आपने इसके पहले एक्टिविटी में क्या किया था कि आपके क्लास की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है ये फाइंड आउट की थी ठीक है इन सिमिलर मैनर इंफॉर्मेशन कैन बी ऑब्टेन अबाउट और इसी तरह से हम हमारे विलेज की पॉपुलेशन तालुका की पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रिक्ट की पॉपुलेशन एंड नेशन की पॉपुलेशन क्या कर सकते हैं मेजर कर सकते हैं we have to while obtaining this information we have to also consider age and sex ratio literacy etc ओके इसी तरह से हम कितने मतलब कितने शिक्षित लोग हैं कितने एजुकेटेड पीपल है कि और कितने एज की मतलब क्या है ज़्यादा पर्सन्स है ये वगैरह इंफॉर्मेशन हम इसी तरह से ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं Several factors are responsible for the development of a region. Out of this, population is an important factor. Okay. जो several factors are responsible for the development of a region. Out of this, population is an important factor. While studying the population of any region, the following aspects have to be considered. आपको पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एनी रीजन जब आप किसी रीजन के पॉपुलेशन की स्टडी करते हैं तब आपको कुछ चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है जो कि कंसिडर करना पड़ता है वो कौन से है पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ population distribution, population density, structure of population. पॉपुलेशन की ग्रोथ क्या है कौन सी चीज़ों की पहला है पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ देन सेकंड इज पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देन थर्ड इज पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी एंड द फोर्थ एंड लास्ट इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन क्या है देन कैन यू टेल पर्टिकुलर टोटल पॉपुलेशन इन 2016 ए सिटी में कितनी पॉपुलेशन है थी 2016 में 1 लाख और बी सिटी में 1,10,000 then total number of children born 2000 in A city and B city is 2750 total number of deaths 1500 B city 2200 people who have migrated from outside was 23,000 and in B 15,000. People who have migrated out 2,000 and 5,000. Okay, total population in 2017 then you have to find out. Okay, which city has greater number of newly born children? Which city records greater number of deaths? Looking at the figures of in migration and out migration, which city has received more migrants? Calculate the population of both cities in 2017 after considering all the points which city has recorded more growth of population in 1 year. The total number of births are given. What would be this figure per thousand population? What is the term for this? What would be the number of deaths per thousand population? What is the term used for this? ओके आपको क्या करना है वो टेबल पढ़ के आपको इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिखने हैं वो बहुत इजी है अगर आपको कुछ दिक्कत जाती है तो आप मेरे को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो ठीक है Then a geographical explanation, population growth. From the above exercise, it can be seen that there is a constant changes in the population of a region. Okay, हमने जब एक्सरसाइज पढ़ी थी तो कांस्टेंट चेंजेस आ रहे थे पॉपुलेशन में. समटाइम्स देर इज a decrease in population and at other side there is an increase in population. This increase or decrease is related to the factors. किस फैक्टर से रिलेट करते हैं इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज decreases of population? Birth rate. First one is the birth rate. The number of, what is birth rate? The number of live births per 1000 people in a year shows the birth rate. Then death rate. The number of deaths per 1000 people in a year shows the death rate. Then life expectancy. Then that means the average lifespan of an individual expected in an area at the time of birth. Then migration, the movement of an individual or a group out of an area or into an area is called migration. When people move into a region from outside for residence, it is called a migration, and when people move out of region for residential purpose, it is called out migration. Migration किसे कर कहते हैं? For residence it is called region from outside. जब outside region से यहाँ किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे आते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं? It is called in migration. And when people move out of region for residential purpose, it is called out migration. एक रीजन में ही क्या माइग्रेट होने को बोलते हैं इन माइग्रेशन. एंड रीजन के बाहर रेसिडेंशियल मतलब आउट माइग्रेशन बोलते हैं उसे, अपने रीजन के बाहर को. ठीक है. ऑल द अबव फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बर्थ रेट and the death rate is clearly responsible for the natural changes in population. Similarly, the migration of an individual or a group constantly results in the change of population. The unchecked growth of population puts pressure on the resources of a region. On the other hand, a controlled growth of population will lead to the availability of resources in the right proportion. A controlled population is an indicator of the development of a region. Then we have to try this. ठीक है, आज के लिए बस हम इतना ही पढ़ते हैं, बाकी का हम कल पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू.